This video will demonstrate how to remove the forward left and right cabin partitions on the Super King Air 350i. These instructions are applicable to serial numbers FL601, FL672, FL688, and after with the VIP interior and cabin management system installed. As a precaution, ensure that the tail stand is in place and the power is shut off to the cabin before beginning to remove the partitions. Gain access to the passenger cabin. In order to remove the forward left partition, the forward left refreshment cabinet must be removed from the airplane. If the Jeppesen cabinet is required to be removed from the partition, it may be removed at this time. If not, the Jeppesen cabinet may remain attached to the partition. On the left partition, remove the screw securing the top roller assembly in place. This will allow the pop-up panel assembly to drop down, easing access to the quick release assembly. Gain access to the cabin partition quick release assembly. Disengage the quick release pin from the rail assembly located above the cabin partition. Close or stow the cabin partition sliding door. Adjust the 3 adjusting nuts on the mounting bracket to lower the cabin partition. Tilt the cabin partition inboard and remove the cabin partition from the mounting bracket. Remove the 3 washers from the mounting bracket. Remove the cabin partition from the airplane. Similarly, the forward right entertainment cabinet must be removed before attempting to remove the forward right partition. If the aircraft is equipped with a flight compartment handset cradle, perform the removal procedure as outlined in the airplane maintenance manual. If the Jeppesen cabinet is required to be removed from the partition, it may be removed at this time. If not, the Jeppesen cabinet may remain attached to the partition. As a precaution, ensure that the tail stand is in place and the power is shut off to the cabin before beginning to install the partitions. Gain access to the interior of the airplane. If not already removed, remove the screw securing the top roller assembly in place. Tilt the partition and lift the partition onto the mounting bracket, ensuring that the 3 bolts on the mounting bracket line up with the holes in the bottom of the partition. Open or unstow the cabin partition sliding door to gain access to the cabin partition quick release assembly. Engage the quick release pin in the rail assembly to secure the top of the cabin partition. Using a small hook or hex key may ease pulling the pin down when lining up the pin with the hole in the rail assembly. Replace the pop-up panel by sliding the roller in the track, lining up the hole on the pop-up panel and installing the screw. Verify the function of this panel. Close or stow the cabin partition sliding door. Adjust the 3 adjusting nuts on the mounting bracket to raise the cabin partition to the desired height. Open and close the cabin sliding door to make sure that it aligns correctly. Reinstall the left Jeppesen cabinet, left refreshment cabinet, and any other items removed for accessibility may be reinstalled in the airplane. The installation of the forward right cabin partition is similar to the forward left cabin partition installation, with the addition of the installation of the flight compartment handset cradle as outlined in Chapter 23 of the Airplane Maintenance Manual. After removing the forward right cabin partition, the right Jeppesen cabinet, right forward entertainment cabinet, and any other items removed for accessibility may be reinstalled in the airplane. The power to the interior of the airplane can now be restored unless other maintenance is underway. At this time, perform all associated maintenance operation checks per the B300, B300C Airplane Maintenance Manual for return to service. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For further information, please call Textron Aviation Team Turboprop Technical Support at 316-676-3140 or 1-800-429-5372. Team Turboprop can also be reached via email at kingair_support@txtav.com.